Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video using CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this unwanted object from my video. And if you want to remove it, first thing first, we need to duplicate this video. Tap on the video and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option. This one, click on it and then make it as an overlay. Go to overlay and then you can make the second video align with the first video like this, and then we can put mask to cover the unwanted object. You can click on your second video and you can scroll all the way to the right again to find the mask option, this one, and choose the type of the mask you want to apply to your video. And I recommend you to select the circle mask because the result will be more natural. And then just resize the mask like this, and you can take another part of your video to cover the unwanted part. I'm just going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover the unwanted object. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on this check mark and then we can drag the mask like this. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, I'm just going to make it bigger again. Okay, and I think the unwanted object has been fully removed from this video, and I'm just going to check the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.